Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can determine the mode using Microsoft Excel and my stikpetE add-in. My add-in is available from my GitHub account. You can just download that. You open an Excel, go for File, Options, Add-ins, Go, click on Browse, and then go to the downloaded file. Now, I also have a video on how to determine the mode without using my add-in, so if you prefer doing that, then just watch this video over here. Now, to show you how this works, I have a few examples. In column A, I have some data from the General Social Survey. Here in column B, I just have some data that is actually by model, because as you might notice, there's a 2 twice and a 5 twice. And there is no mode in column C. Now, once you've installed the add-in, the function me_mode becomes available, which takes the data as input. Be careful though not to just select an entire column A, but really specify the starting cell and the ending cell. Optional, you can also set the parameter of all equal, so that's what to do in case like column C, when all the categories have the same frequency, since the mode is the category or categories with the highest frequency, or frequency density when it comes down to bin data, but that's a whole different discussion. It will return the mode and the mode frequency, so it's actually an array function where it actually will need a 2 by 2 range. So for example here, I've done the mode for A2 till A 1975, and that gives me then that the mode is actually married and the mode frequency was 972. For the bi-model situation, as you might notice already, it will tell me that 2 and 5 are the mode and the frequency of the mode is 2. If there is no mode, then it will simply say none. Or if you specify that you then want to see all of them, you can actually do that, and it will show you 1, 2, 3, and 5. Those are the modes, and the model frequency is then 2. And that's how you can determine the mode in also multi-model situations using the stikpetE library. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.